Sounds right. Okay, from the look of things, I think I might have like left it a little too long, but I made it in the little toaster oven. Looks fine. But this is my first time trying White Castle, the little frozen ones. So let's try it a little bit. Okay, let's see. Looks good. I got an audience, by the way. Well, best kind. I would say they're good. I mean, if you can't find one in your area to try it, because when I was a kid, they used to tell me White Castle was trash. But for the most part, it's really good. I don't get probably saying for one bite. Not bad. And one guy got an audience. The other one's back here. What do you think? 5 out of 5? I would recommend it. Y'all really want to go out, go to the supermarket. I think they mostly have these everywhere. I didn't want to try it in the microwave because you know how some of these burgers you put in the microwave they come out mad soggy. And you put it in the toaster. Well, maybe it probably didn't make it right. But the cheese didn't melt all the way, but I should learn. Maybe next time I'll try it again. So that's my review of the burgers. Thanks for watching. Right? Lena says subscribe for more. Thanks.